Okay, Blaine is checking his hives. We have 2 hives here. He's checking the far one that's busy. He's doing his honey check to see if he needs to add honey boxes. Checking his levels. Takes off the top.
Yes,
He's going to take off the ventilator.
I want to get that box ready.
He smokes the bees to keep them calm. Kind of windy today, so it may make the bees a little nervous. This time of the evening, all the bees are coming back with their honey and stuff, so there's lots of flight. I don't want to get too much into the front of the hive because then I get into their flight pattern.
Hard to see because the angle of the sun. Yes.
He's going to pull up a frame and check his honey level.
This worker is dragging this drone.
Probably dead.
Oh, she's carrying him out. Out you go, bud.
That was cool.
We are done with you.
Nothing.
Did you see that?
Nothing. That's the middle one. See? Nothing in there. It's not what we want.
Okay.
And then go to the outs. Nothing there. I'm checking to see if they're starting sideways.
They're carrying out drones. That's the second one that's come out.
Where?
Right on the other side over there. I'm getting buzzed over here.
It's probably the pink, Mom. Pink cover. Yeah, because it's right. Okay, nothing in the top box yet, so still working. Okay, going down to the second honey box. Where's the side handles? No side handles. Yeah. Wow. Girls are rocking it. Yeah. Yeah. 7. Really heavy on about 5 or 6. But yeah, 7.
Okay, well that's fine. We'll just leave that next box on there.
Okay. I want to see what we look like.
Are you going to check?
Yeah. Oops. They are color oriented. Okay, Joel, you want to see a really good honey? They're starting the capping process.
Take it over there, Jojo.
I was going to. Just stay calm.
You see the white, like the yellow dots?
Oh, what the heck? They have brood up here?
That's where.
Is there brood?
Yes, they're hatching drones.
Oh!
That's why they're carrying them out.
There's one right here coming out.
Oh yeah, you see it little.
No,
Here, let me see.
right here. See that area right here. And right over here. They're hatching drones.
They've been pretty nice, so you're okay.